So I wanted to show you all how well the last coat here will actually remove hand grease and things like that that are all over your door panel from closing the door constantly. So just saturate the surface real good. You can see it's working in there. Take our microfiber and we're just gonna wipe it right out of the pores of the leather. You can see how much it took right out. Now I'm gonna get my clean microfiber. And we're just gonna buff the excess product right off the surface. Now it's cleaned and protected. So once again, that's the last coat.